Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we turn on apps notification in our phone. Friends, you want to on guys your apps notification in your phone, so how can you on it? Today I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we on guys apps notification in our phone. So guys, first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys this notification setting guys. Tap here, then guys scroll it friends, again click on apps notification. Then which app notification guys you want to on guys, you want to search, so you can search. Okay, we want to on guys this Gmail notification, YouTube notification guys, Play Store and Google notification guys, you want to on guys your Chrome notification. So friends, you can on from here, and after on guys you can see this notification on your screen guys. When notification will come guys, you can check from here. So like the which app notification guys you want to on guys, you can on from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on apps notification in our phone. Bye guys.